In news to do with land and justice, Justice Minister Ronald Lamola says land reform not only fixes economic issues but restores the soul of the nation. Cabinet approved the Land Court Bill for submission to Parliament. It will operate with the same status as a High Court.
The panel recommend that the Land Court include the appointment of a permanent judge, president, and 4 permanent judges. The Land Court should also be required to check that settlement agreements give just and equitable compensation to landowners in line with Section 25 and the new Expropriation Act if the bill will end up being, when the bill is finally passed as law. The IMC on land reform has accepted all of these recommendations and has effected them in the Land Court Bill. So what I've just said above is encapsulated in the Land Court Bill that we are going to introduce to Parliament. In addition to the above, the Land Court Bill also introduces the following. It will also have the Land Appeal Court with a jurisdiction equal to the Supreme Court of Appeal as in relation to matters under its jurisdiction and as a court of record, meaning that any appeal from the Land Court will have to be adjudicated by the Land Appeal Court. This is aimed to further develop land jurisprudence in the country. To help the processes of the court, we are currently in the process to transfer the functions of the Land Rights Management Facility in the Department of Agriculture and Land Reform and Rural Development to Legal Aid South Africa. The transfer of the Land Rights Management Facility will ensure that Legal Aid South Africa has both the finances and capacity required to broaden its reach to the indigent, especially those who seek land justice.
That's the Justice Minister there, Ronald Lamola. It will be interesting to see how that particular new court works in relation to, the processes that had already started in the Land Claims Court, for example, and what kind of jurisprudence it sets for itself as it starts hearing cases going forward.